guys, welcome to my channel. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own afro ponytail. So guys, what we're going to be using for this tutorial is this crochet pin. Using this one, we'll be using this ponytail wig. It has a comb already. So guys, I also created a video on how to make this. If you can't find this in the market, I'll link it up here so you can go watch it. Then we'll be using some T-pins, and I'll be using this to cut the kinky hair because I don't have a scissors. I can't find my scissors for now, so I'll be using the seam ripper to cut it because this place is quite sharp. And the star of the show, I'll be using this expression kinky, this bouncy balls. So guys, you place the net on the dummy head and secure tightly with the T-pins. Next, I'll be cutting the kinky extension into 3 sections. You could do cut 2, but here I'm doing cut 3. Then I'm using the seam ripper to cut it since I can't find my scissors like I said before. Then I take a small section of the kinky hair, like so in the video. So I'm using my crochet pin. I pass it through about 2 or 3 holes. Then I attach the hair to the crochet pin and pass it through the loop and create a knot like you're seeing in the video. So guys, it's just a repetitive process. Just watch again as I do it again. My crochet pin, I pass it through about 2 or 3 holes. Then I attach the hair to the crochet pin and pass it through the loop and create a knot like you're seeing in the video. So here I'm just using my hands to fluff the hair and trim the excess kinky hair off to shaping it to give me my desired ponytail, as you can see in the video. So I just fluff the hair, cut, fluff the hair, cut, fluff the hair, cut, and you will see the final look of the hair. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. This is how the ponytail wig looks like. So this is the inside construction. very neat, it's neatly done. Yeah. So guys, do want to like the video, subscribe to my channel. Also contact me at Adeena.hair to patronize me. Send a direct DM, guys, or DM me on my IG page or here on YouTube at Adeena.hair. The name is on the screen, Adeena.hair. Don't forget that. Thank you guys for sticking around with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.